So this is what I'm using to wash my truck. Use it on your camper, inflatables, like I was saying, trucks, motorcycles, boats. I mean, this stuff is just awesome. It cuts through the junk and leaves a beautiful shine. Wait till you see. Hey everybody, so I am about to wash my truck. And I want to demonstrate for you how the auto detailers use my product, or products, on the vehicles that they clean and they detail at car shows. This is Spray Away, the Everything Cleaner and Stain Remover, and the Cape Cod Berry Clean scent that I'm using. It comes in like 3 or 4 different scents. So before I get started, I am going to spray where all the dead dried bugs have stuck to the front of the truck. I'll try to do this without getting... Okay. So I go around and I do the front, or they do the front, and spray it before it's washed. I haven't sprayed it down yet, right? I haven't even got the truck wet yet. So then I'm going to do the wheels as I go around. This dissolves brake dust on contact and will make it so easy. Just wipe them out. They won't be dirty. I'll do it along the grate here, because there's some stuff on here. There's even a ding there that wasn't there before. Anyways, I'll do the tires, or the rims. Dissolves brake dust on contact, but yet this is completely non-toxic. Okay. And I'll go around the back, and I'll do anything that needs to be done back here. Nothing really. Oh, shoot. Edit that part. Okay, gonna continue. Oh, I already did this one. Okay. Okay, so now that I've done all the wheels in the front, I can actually use this product to go inside. Now, it will take out carpet stains and odors. I have 2 golden retriever puppies that trash my vehicle, so I try to clean it often and protect the inside if I can. Got to be careful though, the car seats and see, I can use it on the door. I'll just wipe that off. But anyway, so before you do your vehicle, you just want to go around and spray the outside. Now they also would spray the engine, but I'm not going to do that. Now, I am going to wash my vehicle with Spray Away Car Wash and Wax. It's actually auto wash and wax, because you can use it on campers and motorcycles and boats and yeah, even inflatables. So this is the before. I'll show you the after. Spray Away Car Wash and Wax makes a beautiful, luxurious soap. I mean, look at this lather. It's just gorgeous. I'll put it right on my truck. And it's just gonna cut through all of the dirt. So I just add about, ooh, I don't know what that is, but that's frightening right there. Looks very large and scary. Does not look happy with me right now. And Spray Away will agitate large bugs, but will not kill them, but will kill all kinds of tiny bugs. Obviously that bug is a little agitated. Okay, gotta go for a second. More to come. So I've sprayed the front and the wheels with Spray Away Cleaner and Stain Remover, because it dissolves. Look at it, dissolves brake dust. The wheels are clean already. I haven't even got to them yet. So I have not washed it with the car wash and wax. I'm going to spray it down first and try to get off all the loose dirt. because I live in Maine where there's lots of loose dirt. You want to get off all the loose dirt so that when you wash it, you won't scratch your paint job. Want to get in the wheel wells, the wheels. You never know what you might have run over. Kinds of dirt in there. Winter will be here before you even know it. So after I wash it with Spray Away Car Wash and Wax, I am going to protect it with Spray Away Auto Care and Protectant. It's also known as Protect and Shine. Now, Protect and Shine is an amazing product that you can also use on the inside, on the dash, doors, leather upholstery. Yeah. It's amazing stuff. You can use it as a furniture polish. Although you can never use it on wood floors because it will make them crazy slippery. However, it will not make your leather upholstery slippery like some other products we use to clean the insides of our car, our vehicles, right? So, I'm going to wash it now with Spray Away Auto Care Car Wash and Wax. Okay, I'm finishing up washing my truck. I'm just gonna rinse it. Okay, so after, and I do it section by section. I don't wash it and leave the suds on it. I wash section by section and rinse section by section. Now, I haven't done the tires yet, okay? All I did was spray them with Spray Away. Now, I am going to go around the door, open them up, and wash the inside. I'm going to wash all the door edge. Right here. And all around here because it's all dirty. And then I'll wash the step. But I do that last so that if there's any dirt, because it's more likely to be dirt down here than, especially on this step, than on the truck. So rather than take the chance of getting dirt on my rag and not getting it all off when I put it in the car wash, and then washing my truck with that dirty rag, I do this last so that I don't scratch my truck. I'm gonna make sure I do it all underneath here and the door jams. I am not a detailer by any stretch. I actually had detailers show me how to use my stuff on my truck. But this is how it's done. I'm gonna continue and we'll move on from there. Okay, so I've washed my truck and I've rinsed it. Now I have gone around and done the wheels, washed them. I have not rinsed them yet. And I've done the door jambs on the inside. Now I'm going to rinse them. You don't have to open the door jambs to rinse them. And you want to keep your vehicle wet because if you're going to put the protectant on. So I'm going to put the protectant on after this. So I'm going to keep my vehicle wet. wash that step. I'm gonna rinse inside the door jambs. So you can see the coming out. Okay, so I just finished rinsing the wheels and the door jambs. Now I am going to take my rag that has the cleaner on it, and I'm going to dimp it and wring it out. Then I'm going to rinse it with the hose. Just in case there's any residual dirt on the rag. I only have one hand, so. Now I'm going to bring it and use it inside. So I'm going to wipe down the inside with the diluted car wash and rag. And this has got spray away in it, so it kills germs. Now this would also be the time that if you have carpet stains, you'd want to treat your carpet stains with spray away cleaner and stain remover. But I'm going to wash all the plastic. I'll wash the leather. I'll wash everything in here. My dog threw up in my front seat, so I'll be doing that. And when I'm done, we'll see the end results. One of the things I love about spray away car wash and wax is that I can use it on the windows. So after I've washed and waxed my truck, I haven't even dried it yet, it's still wet. I grab the rag, I rinse it out, and then I'm going to use it for the windows. And then I will dry it. It's so simple. So I'll just show you real quick. So I've got the rag, I've dunked it into the car wash, and I've rinsed it to make sure, with the hose, to make sure there's no sand or dirt on it that could scrape the windows. And then I just wash the windows and dry them with a clean rag. It is just that simple. So I'm going to do the whole thing. I'll show you when I'm done. So as I was saying, I really like to use spray away car wash and wax on the windows, on the inside. So either before I wash and wax my truck, I'll do the windows usually. Today I did not, for whatever reason. So I'm doing them now. But it's so simple, right? So I just take the cloth I used and rinsed it out. And then I'm just going to use a dry rag. You can use one of your most absorbent rags that you have. And you just want to make sure it's a clean rag. And look how clean that is. And it's so simple, and there's no toxic fumes, no ammonia. Yeah. And I mean, look at how beautiful that is. Okay? Just so simple. Okay, so now I've washed the inside. I washed the leather, the dash, the windows on the inside. And I have washed the outside with spray away car wash and wax. Okay, I used it on the inside and the outside to wash everything. Now I want to put a protectant on it. Now notice my truck is still wet, and that's like critical, right? Wipe on, wipe off. So I'm going to add this to the same wet cloth I used on the interior because it doesn't have any sand on it. And I'm going to wipe on and wipe off. This stuff is amazing. It'll last up to 3 months. It's easier to use than a wax. It lasts longer than a wax. It works better than a wax. So take notice of the reflection. Wait till you see when I am done. And I can use this I'm going to use this on the inside as well. So I'll show you the inside. Okay, it's all clean. Everything's clean. I'll do the back. Windows are done. Windows inside look beautiful, not streaked or dirty. Okay, everything's clean. Now I'm going to use the protectant inside and out. Yep, on everything. Wait till you see when I am done. Oh, I'm using Spray Away Auto Care Protect and Shine. As you can see, look at the reflection. Haven't used it on that door yet. So can you see the difference? And this will last up to 3 months. And if you miss any parts of, you know, any dirt or whatever on your vehicle, when you put this on, it's also a cleaner. So it cleans it, and then it puts a UVA, UVB sunscreen and a protectant in it to make your vehicle last longer. Okay, I'm done. Look at the reflection. This stuff is nothing short of awesome. And it was so easy. Windows, tires, all done with the same product, Spray Away, car wash and wax. Protectant gives it that beautiful, amazing, reflective shine. You can see my body. Hey, everybody. Inside is beautiful and clean and perfect. Just as it should be. Windows. Dash, everything looks like new, and as it should.